6:36, and more than 100 million people are living with diabetes. Several studies are showing even more people are being diagnosed. But you are about to see a Valley man who is living proof that you can reverse your diagnosis. I want to bring in our Nohelani Graf, who shares his story this morning. It's incredible.
It really is. So type 2 diabetes does mean major lifestyle changes, Kaylee. And when Chris Stewart first got his diagnosis, he assumed that medications were that change that would help him manage the disease. But for him, things actually got worse until he became his own advocate. And now he wants to empower others to do the same.
Timing in life is everything, and that's true for Chris Stewart. Working for a Valley School District, he needed a physical to upgrade to a commercial driver's license. He got some surprising results. His sugar levels peaking. He had developed diabetes.
I had no symptoms, nothing.
Put on a handful of medication, Stewart says he started getting bigger. Told his doctor he was having more aches and pains.
Her answer was to hand me another medication to my regimen, which I was not okay with. At my rope's end. Something's got to change.
Perfect timing. He gets an email. The school has a special offer through their health insurance, the Verta Nutrition Program, free to just 50 people. Stewart is connected with a team of doctors, health coaches, meal programs.
Very low carb, moderate protein, and add a little bit of fat to each meal.
He saw changes in the first month. 1 year in, he's dropped 145 pounds, no more meds, and his blood glucose levels even beat the average.
I feel like I'm 20 years old again.
And acting like it, too. His biggest motivator, being able to keep up with his daughter. Now, not just keeping up, racing BMX bikes right along with her.
I've been very active, and she thinks that's pretty cool that Dad's out there racing.
Timing in life. Now having the time of his life and encouraging others not to waste time, taking control of their own health.
Don't stop searching, because there are ways to reverse the condition. I'm living proof.
So speaking with our health insider, Dr. Chad Marvasti, he is not associated with the Verta program, but he has been successful himself with using food to prevent, treat, and even beat type 2 diabetes among his patients. And his tips are very similar. Choose whole fruits instead of juice, whole grain bread, not white, healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, and include nuts and seeds with your meals. And of course, Kaylee, always talk to your doctor. But as Chris is encouraging you, don't be afraid to ask and push back a little if you're just not sure.
Well, thank goodness he was his own advocate, right? And knowing that you can reverse or at least improve this, hopefully we're giving hope to a lot of people with this story. Now, excellent job. Thank you for that.